My name is Ruel Aurelio. I'm currently the project engineer at First Mega Saver Magalang. The project is all about a commercial building with leasable space. It has a 4,440 square meter. Regarding with the product of Metaline, from the roofing and from our wall cladding na Metaline 50, sa specification niya, okay siya. Pasado siya sa standard natin. Tapos then, with this the design of Metaline 50, kung makikita nyo, is easy to use and easy to install. Yun yung pinakamaganda kay Metaline na sa product nila. Is, makakatipid tayo sa time.
For everyone out there who are planning to build their dream house or commercial buildings or any construction that needs a roofing, I highly recommend Metaline Roofing and Wall Cladding. Mega Saver in Magalang, we partner with Metaline. For sure, quality-wise, price-wise, service after sales price, highly recommended by Mega Saver. Thank you.
Thank you, Metaline.